Welcome back, everybody. Today we're reviewing the AC180 from Bluetti, and this is an 1800 watt power bank. And what we're going to do today is we're going to put it to an extreme test. Brought out all of the kitchen appliances that I had, and we have an induction stove, we've got a full-size blender, we have a coffee machine, and we're going to see if the AC180 can handle it all and make us an excellent breakfast today. And I also have my good buddy Sandro here from Everyday Sandro, and he's going to help us be our sous chef. So let's get cooking. All right, everybody, this is Sandro from Everyday Sandro. He lives out of his Tesla Model X. Make sure to check out his channel. I'll leave the links down below.
Thanks for having me here. I'm super excited.
Sure, man.
Yeah.
Do you want some coffee?
I would love some coffee.
All right, let's do it. Let's see if we can plug this thing in and try some coffee.
Yeah.
Do you have the coffee maker?
Yeah.
Let's grab it real quick.
Oh, you have your own cup? Okay, great.
I got my own cup, yeah. Okay, so how do you take your coffee?
Black.
I hope it's black, because that's the only option we got.
Probably the bushiest coffee I've had living in a car.
Well, we're at 80% battery, so I hope that's enough to power everything. Let's see. So we got the Keurig pod. Got your coffee cup. Set that in there. So it's on. Is this on? Oh, it's working. Look at that. Oh, okay, yeah, so it sucks down the water first.
Yeah.
And then it'll pour it out. I wonder how much battery life it's actually going to take from the 81%. Look at that, 1300 watts.
Yeah,
holy crap. But 1300 watts, that's a ton of power.
It's a lot.
Yeah.
I think peak is 1800.
Yeah.
Peak output.
Yeah.
1300, if you have it like that continuously, it probably drain it in like 20-30 minutes, which is
Yeah.
still a lot of energy in these bad boys.
Yeah. Wow.
After our run this morning, this is a great
Yeah.
way to continue your day.
How about a smoothie? You want a smoothie?
I'll love a smoothie, dude.
Let's do a smoothie.
Yeah.
Dang. This makes things just way more convenient.
Quick.
And convenient.
Yeah. Because this could also power your fridge.
Yeah. No, it's powering the fridge right now.
Oh, it is.
Yeah.
Oh, awesome. I didn't see.
Okay, let's see how much power it took. Let me turn it off maybe.
Yeah.
So we can save as much power as we can. Oh, it only dropped 5%.
Yeah.
Dude, solid.
Yeah.
Okay.
It just shows how much energy it takes to make the real coffee. Yeah?
Yeah, that's perfect. Thanks for sharing your coffee, dude.
Cheers, man. Well, thanks for brewing it.
Cheers. I'm like genuinely impressed. That's awesome. Okay.
Yep.
You want a smoothie?
I'll love a smoothie.
Let's do a smoothie. Strawberry banana smoothie.
Avocado?
Then we'll save the avocado for the toast.
Oh, I have avocado too.
Great. We'll use your avocado later. Okay.
Yeah, please.
All right.
Do you want oats in there?
In the smoothie?
To thicken it? a little
Yeah.
bit?
Let's get some oats.
You want peanut butter?
No.
Okay.
So making coffee is so much easier now with this thing, but can we actually use a blender? I honestly don't know if this is gonna work. I haven't tried it yet, but we've got strawberry banana oats smoothie. It's one of my favorite combinations. So I say we give it a try, huh?
Oh, wait. Yeah, there we go.
I love strawberry banana smoothies. Okay. So this is a Ninja. So this is like a legit, really nice blender. I don't know exactly how much to put in, but I'm gonna put in a lot. I want a big smoothie. You want a big smoothie?
Yes, please.
You got it. Add in a little bit of yogurt here.
You can use all of it.
Great. Very good. I think we need probably like a little bit of water.
Do you need water?
Yeah, I've never put oats. You put oats in your...
Yeah, it thickens it.
Really?
Yeah, really nice. It's creamy.
Okay, I'll do a little bit of oats.
Yeah.
And then, I guess we'll just add a little bit of water, yeah?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So we'll have to show them your setup later, you know?
Sure, yeah.
Okay, ready? Oh! Nice catch. How do I stop it? Just tap it?
Yeah, tap it again. Yeah. There you go.
Maybe one more.
Yeah, you need a lot more water, dude. It's a very gentle touch.
Oh, okay. Ah, I see.
Look at us holding hands.
Oh, cute. Cut that out. I think that's enough.
Yeah.
Okay. So we're at 76%. I just turned the AC on, and like I said, I don't know if this is gonna work, so let's give it a try. Oh, dang! It said 2,000 watts. Whoa, that's crazy.
Go again.
2,000 watts. 1,000 watts. Wow. That's wild. Look at this thing. Wow. All right, let's stop it for a sec. That's impressive. That is so crazy. Maybe we need a little bit more water too.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's like ice cream.
I like ice cream. Yeah, take a look at it.
Yeah. Yeah, dude, it took me forever to figure that out. There you go.
You're good. Okay, excellent. It's magnetic there too?
Yep.
That's awesome. Okay. Looks, here we go.
Yep.
Wow. Inside. Oh yeah.
Damn.
Looks good.
Yeah, it looks great.
All right, we got smoothies, and let's see how much power we use now.
The big reveal.
Yeah, the big reveal. Oh, what was that, 76?
Yeah, it was 1%.
1%.
And have peak output was like 2,000 watts.
Wow. That's genuinely like really crazy.
Yeah.
Yeah. All right, let's pour it in here.
Well, enough talking. That's
Yeah.
That's when you know it's a good smoothie. Actually.
Yeah, it's more of a scooping action here.
Yeah.
Look at that.
Is that like gelato or?
It looks like a gelato. Oh, sorry. How's the smoothie?
So good.
Yeah?
Mhm. Look at that.
It's awesome.
Yeah.
Okay. Do you want eggs or toast next?
Eggs, please.
All right, let's do some eggs. So this is the one that I'm honestly most worried about because it's going to be on for the longest time and it's probably going to take up the most power. We have 74%, so I think we're going to be fine, but I honestly don't know. So we'll find out. Let's make some eggs.
Yeah, you should put the pan on right away.
Okay. It gets hot really fast?
Super fast.
Okay.
Give it maybe like a minute
Okay.
or less. Like, look, it's already warm.
Wow. I've never used induction before. Let me do some butter. You good with butter?
Yeah, fine.
Okay.
Tastes raspy.
But 2 is like low, right? Like low heat?
No, it'll warm up.
Okay, I kind of want like low heat.
Well, I always put this on too, because then the heat it becomes a lot more efficient.
Ah, I see.
The heat stays trapped.
Okay.
It's about 500 watts, 600.
600 watts?
Yeah.
Okay.
Ish. But if you lift it, it turns off pretty much. That was the beeping.
Ah, that's interesting.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's a safety thing.
Yeah. I've never, like I said, I've never used induction before, so. Let's do scrambled eggs. I think scrambled eggs is the way to go.
It's already at 73.
Yeah.
Should be alright.
I think it's gonna be all right.
Doesn't matter.
How many eggs do you want?
I'll do 2.
Okay.
Yeah.
Big pan, let's do 6 eggs.
Perfect.
Big boys.
Yeah. The biggest thing here, do you think I should grab like a little to make it even?
Yeah, if you have something.
Yeah, I have like a little block. Sorry, man.
No, you're good. This is helpful.
There you go. Yeah.
Nice. Now we're talking.
Yeah, it makes a big difference. I suffer with the same thing.
Okay. It's looking good. Let's go ahead and touch it. Let's see. 70%. Okay. Yeah,
About 400 watts, 600 watts.
this is totally gonna work. No problem.
Yeah.
Yeah, so you have solar, right?
Mm-hmm.
And so the solar can charge this thing?
Yeah, solar can charge as well.
Okay.
But it's really dependent on the sunshine, the time of day, at what angle it's hitting the panels. It is very reliable because the sun always shines technically. Like even with this, you would get some form of sun energy, but it's going to be very low.
Okay.
Because the hardest thing is recharging this, because there's a lot of energy in this, but recharging it, that's the most difficult thing.
How long would it take for a solar panel to charge this thing, you think?
If you're getting maybe like 70 watts, probably like 8 or 9 hours.
Okay.
If you put this into your 12-volt DC outlet in the car, right, the cigarette outlet,
Yeah.
probably 8 hours too.
Okay.
Within a wall, like a wall
It's
outlet.
like quick, like so 30 minutes, right?
30 minutes. I actually run some as an extension cable for that.
So Bluetti actually has this really cool thing. It's called the Charger One.
Okay.
Okay, and what the Charger One does is that it actually plugs into your battery in your car,
Oh.
and it goes straight from the battery into this thing. So it actually gives it a quick charge.
Gotcha.
So like even if you take like a really short drive, it'll charge it up like in 45 minutes.
Okay. Yeah. So you're tapping directly into the battery.
Exactly.
Gotcha.
Exactly. So yeah, that's a new accessory that Bluetti sent to me. So yeah, even if I take like a short trip, it gets charged like that.
Because that would be a game changer.
Yeah, it is.
Because you drive on daily average maybe like.
A lot. I drive a lot.
Okay. Even better.
Yeah. Like every day I'm probably driving at least 100 miles. So yeah.
No way.
Easily.
Wow.
'Cause I go to LA and back a lot. But yeah, so I installed the Charger One,
Okay.
and now it charges up in like 45-minute drive all the way max.
That's a game changer because
Yeah.
if you can charge like that, because like honestly, like how convenient is this?
It's super convenient.
You have a toaster, you can run your fridge from it. You can charge your iPhone, your laptop.
Yeah. If you guys are interested in the Charger One, I'll leave the link down below. And I think it's the perfect accessory for this power bank because it makes just life on the road so much easier, you know?
60%.
That's pretty good.
So it was about 67, right?
Yeah,
66?
yeah.
So that's about 6%. Actually, I thought it was going to be a lot lower, but that's because we put level 2 here.
Yeah.
If this was level 5, within 20 minutes. But this is great because you don't need that much heat, right, for eggs.
No, it was quick. It was done in like a couple minutes.
Yeah, because we just talked.
All right, bro. Breakfast is served. Oh yeah, that's a lot of eggs. Very good. What we're gonna do here is a little toast extravaganza. So I just went to the local grocery store. It's pretty good. It's only got it yesterday, so. I'm a little nervous about this too because it's probably the most powerful thing we have today. We're at 60% though, so let's see if we can make ourselves some toast. So it's on now and it's taking 750 watts, not bad. And it's at 60%. Okay. So it only took 3% and we got toast. Do you want more toasted? Is this good?
Yeah, just flip it one more time.
Okay.
We do double take here.
We'll do light. We'll do light toast.
I'm always so nervous when I do this.
Okay.
If you press a little too hard. Okay, great. Look, my favorite spoon. This spoon has traveled the world too. Even went to Europe with me. Great. That's it.
So we started today off at 80% and we are at 54%, which is freaking awesome. And we got all of my favorite breakfast foods. We got coffee, we made a smoothie, we made toast, we made eggs, all using electric power. So I'm super excited how this worked out and I'm definitely going to continue to use it in my rig. So thank you so much, Bluetti, for sending me the AC180 and the Charger One. If you guys want to get those for your rig, I'll leave the links down below in the description and we'll see you guys next time. Let's eat.